EasyPianoOnline. Hi everyone, today we will learn O Solo Mio by Eduardo di Capua. In this video we will learn part 1. Please check the website for part 2. We will begin learning with the right hand. Fourth finger begins on C. Repeat the C again. Third is on B. First plays G. And again G. Third finger plays B. Again B. Second is on A. And first finger plays F. Fourth finger plays B. Again B. Third is on A, first finger plays F, repeat the F with third finger, first finger plays D, second is on E, third is on F, and fourth finger plays G. We will now look at the left hand. Left hand plays first finger G, fifth finger plays C, third finger plays E, first is on G, third is on E, again first is on G, and third is on E. Fifth finger now plays D, second on G, first is on B, third is on G, first is on B, second finger plays G, fifth finger plays D, second is on G, first is on A, third finger plays G, first finger plays B, and together G and B. Fifth finger plays E, third is on G, first is on C, third finger plays G, fifth is on E, first is on G, and fifth finishes on C. Now we will play together. Right hand starts with fourth finger on C, and together G and C. Right hand third is on B, together left hand fifth is on C, right hand first is on G. Left hand third is on E, together G. Left hand third is on E, first is on G. Right hand third is on B, together with E, left hand third E, right hand third is on B. Right hand second is on A, left hand plays D with fifth, right hand first on F. Left hand second on G, first is on B, second is on G, first is on B, right hand fourth is on B. Repeat together left hand second on G, right hand fourth on B. Right hand third is on A, left hand fifth is on D, right hand first is on F. Left hand second plays G, right hand repeat the F with third, left hand first finger plays A. Left hand second on G, first is on B, right hand first is on D, and together left hand plays G and B, right hand second on E. Right hand third is on F, and together left hand fifth is on E, right hand fourth on G. Left hand third is on G, first is on C, third is on G, fifth is on E, first is on G, and fifth is on C. This is it. Enjoy practicing and check the website for part 2.